guys, it's Zidane and Annie and we're back with another video. So the reason I have on this blindfold is so that I can see or smell anything. So the reason I have it on is because we're going to do the What's in my mouth challenge. So we'll be doing rock, paper, scissors to see who is going first.
Okay. 2, 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You have to go first.
Huh?
Yeah,
you have to go first. So I have to put on my blindfold. Oh my god. Zidane.
Look.
Zidane. Don't poison me off, you know?
Me not poisoning you. Why would I poison my mother?
Make sure.
Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
When you're ready.
How much fingers?
I can't see.
Okay.
Tangerine.
Ah.
Zidane. What the hell?
What is it?
Tangerine!
Oh my god, one. Well, time to
You're being nice. So, I'm one. Now it's my turn. Have a seat and please cover your eyes and your nose. No peeking, no smelling.
Pick good?
Look here.
Ready. Where?
To my side. Okay. So he's not seeing anything. So today, the first thing is, yes guys, I'll be using my spoon. And I know it's not gonna get this one. It's not that good. I'm not gonna do a lot since it's this, as you can see. Open. Don't be greedy today. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. What's that?
Coffee!
That's not fair. I think this one would have been the hardest one for him. My gosh. I can't believe. Come, my turn. That's why I have this. Napkin and water. Okay.
The reason I don't say coffee because it smells like...
You're not supposed to be smelling. Next time you're gonna cover your nose. Come,
I'm cover my nose.
I'm ready. Ready for your
taste the coffee, though, man.
You're a kid. You're not supposed to be tasting coffee. Ready? I'm ready.
The mixture of soap and toothpaste.
Today. Remember my mom? Go poison me off. Come.
Ah. What is it?
Body wash.
With what? And the body wash alone.
Toothpaste.
Yeah.
You're wicked. I taste both of them. Yuck. Next. That's horrible.
Me so bored for time. So whenever you say that tastes bad to you.
Yuck.
Come. You can't climb up the cover. The cover.
Just put it over there. Sit down. I don't want you to see my bag.
Oh, my turn?
It's mine. Yeah, for me to give you. This is too easy. I can't believe.
Now, everything on food now.
Mine too. Not everything is food.
I like how that one rest on now.
So guys.
Guys, tell me what should I use. Please.
No, I look around. And a person to snitch. Are you ready?
Comment who you think is gonna win. Yeah, I'm ready. So the score is 1-1. Right? We give up.
Look, sit, let them see you. Look.
And it tastes like something I drink already.
Look at your tongue. Blood. It looks like blood. What is it? Kool Aid.
It tastes like something I drink already.
It's a 2-1. So we're 2-1.
I'm a vampire. You just drink blood.
It's my turn. Wonder what is gonna come with now. My God.
I don't want the taste.
So you could have guessed that.
No, we couldn't guess it because it tastes like something wet and then something mixed together.
Look at it. Come, next day.
Oh Lord.
Why do that? Come man, and sit down. I don't get past your face.
Up. It's not.
You ready?
Yeah.
So we're 2-1, guys.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm gonna be the winner.
No.
We shall see. Ready? I don't know why I think he has pepper in his bag. He went outside for something. I don't know what he went out there for. So it must be to the pepper tree. Oh, wow! What's that?
No. You're lucky.
I still don't know what it is. It can be nice enough today. You don't have to give me some horrible stuff. Ready?
Ah.
Let me take them what I want.
Ah.
What the hell? Pepper! This is pepper.
What
Powder
kind of pepper? No.
What the hell is this? Do they discount color?
Yeah.
It's pepper.
Yeah, but what kind of pepper?
From the pizza thing.
Yeah.
The pizza crushed pepper.
Yeah.
My God.
Extreme.
Guys, I'm wicked. Any things that we have? Let's see.
Sorry, I can hardly breathe.
Okay. So this I'll put when I after I edit, because I took a small amount. Very small portion. It's creamy. It looks tasty. Open wide.
Conditioner.
No, Zidane, you're cheating.
No.
Zidane, you're cheating.
Conditioner.
So guys, it's Tresemme conditioner. I guess he smelled it. Trust me, he's not that good. He must have smelled it. And I just love the smell of this. It's conditioner. So we are 3-3.
Bitter.
It's bitter? So we are 3-3, guys. No, No, not 3-3.
3-2.
3-2.
You're gonna see me again.
Right, it's 3-2. Come on, let's speed it up. Let's see again. Oh, I should be blindfolded. Cover my nose.
This is expired.
Hello. No one up next fire. Come when you're ready.
I am reading to see if it's expired.
You're reading now? My God. You're reading now.
Well, I can see the expiry date. There's none.
Ready for me? Lord, Zidane. Please have some mercy on me.
Oh no, it's expired. Let me taste it.
Needed something nice. If it was nice, you wouldn't want to taste it.
It's not.
Ready? You're taking too long. Come on. No, let me take them out. I want. We don't want to drench with anything. Come. I don't trust you, no. What the hell?
Magic.
What is this? Oh.
Expired.
What is it? Jam.
What kind jam?
Strawberry jam.
No.
Guava. The one that your grandma made.
No.
It's not the sorrel jam.
No.
Then it's jam. Jam
Great
is jam.
jam from Burger King.
What Jesus? It's still jam, so me not lose.
You finish it.
So 4-2.
4-2.
Hurry. I can't wait to give you this one. I know you don't know it. Down. To me, of course.
What?
He's not seeing, guys. You're not smelling either. Oh, so this is. I just love the smell of this thing.
Should I eat there? Something good.
No, I don't even taste it. I love it. Cover your nose.
Oh, no, 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 no.
That's molasses. Did you don't know molasses?
It's like some eater.
Yeah, molasses. I love this guy.
It gets butter.
I love it with milk.
God.
What's the tally? What's the score?
Who still?
Oh, he
Guys,
tried it.
4-2, let's see. It's my turn again.
Let's
So-
take one more nice something.
Please hurry today. We're making it drawn out now. Hurry up.
Whoops! It fell.
What to you?
I'm breaking something.
I know exactly what that is if you have to break it. But give me that coming now.
It gone.
Come. Your next thing in the bag. Because you know when you have a boy, you break.
Refining. And it's mixed
Mixed.
with something I already used.
You know, man?
Ah!
Come in, trust you.
Caution.
Don't put it in my mouth.
Ah.
It's nutmeg. I could tell it was nutmeg. I heard it when it fell on the ground with the same jam. Nutmeg with the grape jam. And I know it's 6-2.
5-2. You were just at 4.
Okay, look at your mouth. It's full of molasses. That's why I have a napkin. You gave away that one.
You have a break.
So let me see what else is in my bag. Let's see what else is in my bag. Okay. So I don't think you've seen. This one is, oh my, it's new. It has on the label. It has on, sorry, it has on the seal. I didn't know it was a new one. So this is, that's it, guys. And of course, I'm going to use my spoon again. I'm not going to give him a lot. It's just a tiny bit. So you see? Comes it. Ready?
Toothpaste.
What kind of toothpaste?
Colgate.
Yes. No, not Colgate. What type of toothpaste?
Mint flavored.
Yes, but what type of toothpaste?
Charcoal.
Oh, you know that. Because you know what? Because I said no to the other one. So guys, you got that one. So he's 3.
3, 4.
4. Come get the next thing in your bag ready. Hurry today, hurry. I'm ready. Oh, my mouth. Just so you know, I'm not seeing. I felt you doing something like that. Ready? Too slouchy, man. Let me take my time.
That's why I said
I don't trust you. No, don't. Let me take a taste. Come. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder. Are you too greedy? Cinnamon powder.
Why is toothpaste not really hurting?
Oh my! What is talking about? Oh man! Hey, there's one in here, man. What is this? Oh man, this one is too weak. Let me put it down for a while. I think I should leave that one for last.
I'm zoning.
What is this? Oh, this one is easy, guys. It's a tiny, whatever. Come. Sweetie. Since what? 5, 3.
No, 5, 4. It's 5, 4.
Then
Moment the last match I was at.
you're busy. Everything you have just spill all over the table. Cinnamon powder, pepper, everything. Okay, so it's 5, 4 as he said. Come, look in your back for the other thing.
This one is not. Oh, yeah, this is the one that I washed.
Ready?
Whoa!
Again? Oh, what up, man?
I was broke.
What the hell? Rubber eraser! It's an eraser! I felt the shape of it.
We should cut it off.
Oh my! So I have 3 things. No, 4 stuff left in my bag. So much. 4 stuff left in my bag. I know the last one is definitely not gonna get it. I'm saving that one for last.
My belly hurts.
Let him feel good now.
Toothpaste, my belly hurts.
So guys, I'll put the description of this one after editing.
flour.
Yeah, no, it's easy. Yeah. Yeah. Have fun because this is the last one. Trust me. You're not gonna
We kid. See if we can. I want that juice, yeah.
See, then wake me up. Egg! Raw egg! Yeah! Raw!
No one I go fry.
Make a piece of this.
Piece of what?
Why me couldn't think of that? My God!
So that's what you are.
I'm eat this like tangerine. Get over your side. Let me take up my next stuff.
You piece of tangerine.
Eat it. Long time. My God.
Guys, she gave me flour.
How much
I
is it
gave her
now?
Egg. 7, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5.
Shut it. Oh my God! Cover your face. Ready? Let me a napkin.
I don't want to go with it. My belly hurt me already.
Come on, that one is easy. Guys, you know what this one is. I know he's gonna guess this one. He's gonna guess this one.
Soap.
Which soap? Next one. You can do say your own medicine man.
The one is nice.
Thanks.
For she, not for me.
I would appreciate that.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm ready.
It was hers from a long time.
I wonder what could that be? For a long time. Don't pipe me up, no, sir. Oh.
Taste the bleach.
Excuse me.
Ah.
Read this again.
Ah.
Wait. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Drop.
Chocolate.
Snickers.
Oh, it's Snickers.
Stickers.
Snickers.
Stickers.
Let me just have that one. Oh, it's not seen. So guys, it's open.
Oh. Oil.
What kind of oil?
Vegetable oil.
Rotten. He got that one. So one more from me and then the big thing for him. I know he's not gonna get that one. So guys.
Wait.
Like, share, subscribe to our channel.
Two stuff for truth. Two.
So it's Annie from DNA Out and About. And Zidane from Zidane Beauty. Oh, open up your face. Yes, guys.
Oh!
You ready for me, Zidane?
Yep.
I'm ready. Wait, let me put this there. Ready. I know what you're saying now.
What's the matter?
Because I'm wicked to my mother, see? No, Zidane! Take your time.
No, me know how you spell it.
Me don't want no holy. Nobody like how you want to drench me.
I'm not drenched.
Just take it up,
Come on,
relax.
cover your nose. Ah, and a selfie drink.
My mouth cover, I'm not used to it. Guys, I was expecting the pepper because it went outside. I know I have a pepper tree. I was expecting this. Trust me. Pepper. You know. Woo!
Yeah, good on my boy.
I catch body pepper now. Don't rub your eyes. Don't rub your face. My God. This is wickedness. Drop some of piece and tangerine again. Then a wicked.
Oh,
I could bet that he had pepper in his bag.
my belly hurt me. You smell up the place, man?
It's fine.
What my plan something more good.
No man.
He helped me now and challenge you.
And put it on my lip. My lip will kill me more than my tongue. My God. I'm sorry for the other one here. You're not gonna get this one either.
Let me put this.
If you get this, trust me. Listen, my tongue, my mouth, not even my tongue. My lip, them a burn me.
Trust me, what happened?
Come. Guys, you know what this one is. I'm not gonna say to smell, you're not gonna smell it. Guess number one. So, no. Why you take it off? I said no. You cheated.
Me not even
You got
see.
it wrong.
Me not see.
Your side.
Me don't see.
You look right in the spoon. Come.
Point.
If you get it now, you're not gonna get the point.
Me not see nothing.
Come. You say you want to taste it again, so open your mouth.
No.
Baking soda, people. See, I told you. I knew I was gonna get this one, so I am the winner. Yay! Like, share, subscribe to our channel. It's DNA Out and About and Zidane Beauty. Bye. We're out.
Nobody gonna wait yet, man, because
We're not
Listen up.
subscribe yet.
you see the little red button right there, son. And one
Over
little
there, so.
blue button, light button there, son. Make it be blue and make that be grey. Peace
Okay.
out.